Hello and welcome. We are looking at work examples on moment area method. All right. So example number one says a steel cantilever of span 2.5 meter carries a point load of W kilonewton at its free end. All right. The moment of inertia of the section of the cantilever is 9,900 centimeter to the power of 4. All right. If the deflection at the free end is not to exceed 0.75 centimeter, what must be the value of W? We are asked to take E to be equal to 210 giganewton per what? Per meter square. All right. So that is what we have. Now we have derived from our previous video. This is nothing but case number one on moment area method. All right. When we derived the relations on case number one, we derived the maximum bending moment formula to be WL all to the power of 3 all over 3EI. All right. So that was the formula we got from our maximum deflection on the first case we considered on moment area method. All right, so the lessons are there. You can go back and watch them and see how we come about the formula. All right, that formula is what we are going to be using to calculate the value of W. All right, so before we do that, we are going to be making some conversions. All right, now we have a length of 2.5 meter. All right, so this is solution. All right, so our data is given. First, we have a length of 2.5 meter. All right, secondly, we have a moment of inertia I. This will be equal to 9,900 centimeter to the power of 4. Now to convert this to meter, to meter, we divide by by 10 to the power of minus 8. All right, we divide by 10 to the power of minus 8. That is, we multiply by 10 to the power of minus 8. That is dividing by by 10 to the power of of 8. All right, so this is what we have. So this will be equal to 9,900 times 10 to the power of minus 8 meter. All right, so this is what we have. This will be meter to, no, this should be meter to the power of 4. Yeah, this is meter to the power of 4. All right, now we are going to be looking for our maximum deflection. Before we do that, y max is also in centimeter, so let's convert it to meter. So we have y max equals to 0.75 centimeter. All right, if we divide by 10 to the power of 2, this will be equal to 0.75 times 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. All right, so this is what we have. So what do we have next? We have E to be equal to 210 giganewton per meter square, where giga is nothing but 10 to the power of 9. So take note. All right, so what next do we have? I think that's all. So from our formula, we know that y max will be equals to WL to the power of 3 all over 3EI. All right, so this is our formula. All right, so if we substitute, we have 0.75 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 2. All right, this will be equal to W, which is our unknown, multiplied by L. L is 2.5 all to the power of 3. This is all over all over 3 multiplied by 200 times 210, rather. This is 210 times 10 to the power of 9 multiplied by 9,900 times 10 to the power of of minus 8. All right, so this is what we have. So let's make W the subject by cross multiplying. If we do that, we have W multiplied by 2.5 all to the power of 3 to be equal to, this is 0.75, all right, multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 2 multiplied by multiplied by 3 multiplied by 210 times 10 to the power of 9 multiplied by 9900 times 10 to the power of minus 8. All right, so this is what we have. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of w. We have 2.5 all to the power of 3. All right, and we divide both sides by 2.5 all to the power of 3. All right, 2.5 to the power of 3 will go with 2.5 to the power of 3. W will be equal to 0.75 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 210 times 10 to the power of 9. All right, multiplied by 9900 times 10 to the power of minus 8. All right, everything is all over what? All over 2.5 all to the power of 3. All right, so if we multiply everything we have here and divide this by 2.5 to the power of 3, our W will be equal to 29.94 times 10 to the power of 3 Newton. All right, so we need our W in what? In kilonewton. So we can just say W is equals to 29.94 kilonewton. So this is the value for what? For W, where the maximum deflection will not exceed 0.75 centimeters. So this is example number 1 solution. All right, it is very simple and straightforward. So next we are going to be going to example number 2. All right, so thank you for watching and stay tuned. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a comment, also leave your comments on the comment section. And if you need any of our materials, you can also reach out to us. All right, including private tutoring and so on and so forth. So I will come your way again on example number 2. Peace out.